Now I'm going to create a very simple dashboard. I already have a table here. Here we are, where we have basically some data, and we're going to compare data or parameters or value of parameters at a certain time, and we compare this with the past. We have some metric or topics, and we see basically the figures before and then new figures, and we see the difference. Then we have a coefficient, which is -1 or 1, if the trend has to be multiplied by -1 in order to get the real figure. So this means basically that it is negative. Okay, the trend is negative. So what I want is this. So what I'm going to do is the following. I need to evaluate a rank. My target is this one, optimal one, and the normal one is this. So my target is to reduce of this. Then I give value 3, otherwise I give value 2 if it is greater, and in the last case is 1. So you can see I'm very bad here in this position. Now according to this, I'm going to evaluate if there is a growth. Okay, so here we have the greater than this multiplied by this, then I'm gonna give 2. Otherwise, if this multiplied by this is equal to this equal to multiply by this is equal to 1, and then we have 0, means that we're going down. 2, I'm going to increase. 1 means it's the same. I'm going to create my dashboard. Okay, so we will see this in the next video. So here we basically define, after we have defined here the area and the metric and the data or parameter values for the previous here, for example, and the current here, we get a difference. It's 1.5 is this. Okay, we can also do like this. Okay, and then this is to have the same format of this. I'm gonna merge the cells. Okay, then we have the rank. Okay, the rank is, I compare if this is greater than normal multiplied by the trend, I get 2 points. In other cases I get 1 point. And the progress is I compare this with this, multiplying each by this. If the current is greater, then I give 2 points in the progress. Otherwise, if they are equal, I give 1. If it is less, I give 0. And I will show you this in the next video, how to display in a dashboard.